guys, welcome to my channel. Lizo here. Let's start reviewing our first book. It's my own book that I created. It took me a long time to create, about 2 years to create this book. I'm very proud of it. I'm going to speak a little bit about it and tell you what you will find inside. I hope you liked it. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can do more books. I do have my own books and I'm looking forward to do your book. So this is my very first one. A couple of years ago, I went through a dramatic illness. I had bacterial meningitis. 10 months, I was very, very ill and spent a lot of time in the hospital and also didn't know if I'm going to make it through. I have two boys, teenager boys, and I didn't know if I'm going to see them ever again and if they have a mother going to go home to them. So yes, my oldest one has epilepsy, that disease. So he got seizures when I was in the hospital about every month. And then I have a youngest one who looked after him and he needs to grow up very fast because I wasn't there to help them and look after them. So that's why I created my first book. The book is about how does your brain go through trauma? What signals does it give? The 5 stages that you're going to go through the trauma. What help you release in your brain? What makes it that your brain and your body feel trauma? I am a specialized in wellness and fitness. So this all my books is going to be about fitness, wellness, not wealth like money. No, like healthy and wellness. And what does your brain go through? What signals that it gives? What exercise to do to help you get through the stuff? What type of food you need to eat? Being healthy, being happy, and understanding what does this make your body, because trauma affects your body. And this is the book that I'm going to tell you is the guidance that help you realize that what effect trauma has on your book, what exercises help your body to recover, and also what exercises not to do when you experience any kind of trauma. Okay, I'm from South Africa, so as you can see, my accent is much different than you used to. So please like and subscribe. The book is about 5 stages that you're gonna go through in the beginning. 5 stages about healing, exercises, what foods not to eat when you experience trauma, when this what foods help and what time when you're going through trauma. And you need to remember that it takes time. It takes me 2 years and I'm still recovering slowly. 10 months, I was very ill, guys, and my heart stopped. The doctors brought me back. I experienced dramatic loss. And that's why I need to get it out there to tell everybody that even though it's small or big like mine, I have all this knowledge that I have with wellness and hormones and being a mom and fitness and healthy and foods, and that's my passion and I love it. And I'm not able to do the things that I used to do when I was before I got so sick. So now I'm releasing all my guidance and experience into my books. And also this one. This one is very emotional. It's an emotional book, but it's also a very spiritual book. So you after this, you're gonna feel really good. You're gonna feel like the world isn't that bad enough. Your body has changed. You went through a lot, but it's okay. And you're not alone. No, you're not alone. Unfortunately, I did affect two persons in the hospital next to me, and both of them died next to me. I didn't die. So I think there's some reason for me to start this and get it out there to tell everybody, please, guys, you are not alone. Going through trauma, if it's big or small, there's so much going on in your body that you don't realize, and so much foods that makes it worse or better that you don't realize what to do. Or that they have effect on you. So please, please, please go. Amazon does have my book already on it. All my details are on the description down below. Please, guys, go and have a look, enjoy it, leave a comment about what you think about it. Please, I need to hear about all you guys, and then I'm looking forward to talking about my other book that I created. I'm looking very forward to see you next time. You should have a lovely day. Be safe. Bye.